Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Aparna's Home TV. In today's video, I'm going to talk about HourGlass wheel primer. I hope you can see this. So, according to product manufacturers, it's supposed to reduce your wrinkles, reduce your pores, reduce any redness that is on your face, and also has SPF of 50. Now let's see how I apply it and what I think about it. I love the packaging. This is a sample I received in my Sephora Play box. And I love that they gave me a spatula to get the product out. I really love that they thought about it. Otherwise, it would have been hard to get the product out. I like to use only a small amount. I'll show you how much. It feels like this much of product I'm using. It feels more like a moisturizer to me. Just warm it up on your fingertips and dot it on your face. Wow, it feels so silky and easily blends on my skin. Wow, it feels like so smooth on the skin. No oil or nothing, it just feels just press it in. So these are the positive sides, guys. It's really a good primer. Let's see what are negative. It didn't give me any drastic results from applying it. As you can see, it's an okay primer. It's a good primer, but according to me, it's not worth $54 for something that didn't change my skin drastically, guys. If I spend $54, I want to see some change in my skin. It didn't. If I will get a sample again, I would definitely use it. I don't have any negative to say it. If you have the budget, go for it. If you don't have the budget but still want to try it, I will suggest a dupe for you. And that dupe is NYX Angel Wear Primer. They are pretty much same. You can go to their website and look at the ingredients. They are pretty much same. Don't quote me on it that it will be 100% like exact matching, but somewhere around 80 to 100, 99.9% it will be the same. Personally, I didn't test them together, but they look exactly same and feel the same. Consistency is same. The application is same. Everything that I search for is same in them. So if you don't have the money to buy the HourGlass primer, definitely do try the NYX Angel Wear Primer. I hope this review helped you, and final decision is yours. I review and you decide whether a product is right for you or not. I will see you guys in my next video. If you didn't subscribe already, please do, and share it with your friends if you like my videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me. Bye.